Gonna make some big pieces, you're saying?
No. We're making some artisan pizzas.
Oh, yeah.
Not really. I'm gonna make mine the size of this plate.
Alright.
And see if it fucking works.
Oh, yeah. Homemade pizza.
Whatever fed with gloves on, stick your hand left.
It don't matter, it's gonna stick to everything, bro.
Too cold, he says.
Oh.
Alright, Gordon Ramsay.
I made shit bigger than I wanted to.
Yeah, I was wondering why you were doing so big. I thought you were doing just...
Yo, I actually made like a weird looking pizza.
Look like some old lady bloomers.
Yeah, but this is actually it.
He's got the draws. He's got the draws. GTD.
This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fold it up, and you guys can do your own.
Yeah, we waiting on you.
Alright, I'm gonna fold it on the. This is gonna be have some crazy crust, bro.
It's called the cheesy crust.
Nah. Yeah, this is actually
Called the,
alright.
called the DZ crust.
Stop, please, stop.
I easily see it now. Like the dough, like this goes where it wants too. Yep. It's not so. Yeah, it's not so.
Alright, we out here on the run. The warriors in effect. Yeah. Bow. It's rainy, so we got some elements here. All balls. Yeah, yo, you guys make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do what y'all need to do. We're out here with another Put Some Stank On It. I'm on Surron today. Got the boots and everything. I'm out here. It's cold. A little rainy too. But we out here in the element. It's all good. It looks like they did a little bit of construction. I don't know what that was. Oh, it's slick out here. Oh, oh man, it's so slick. Yo, they really did this. Yo, the west side is tight now. Well, I'm just barreling through that. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Damn. Hey, yo. That's tough. no. What's the verdict?
See what happens?
Think that's a good idea? Want me to try it? I'll go. You'll go. You think? Yee! Oh yeah, so we out here. The run is doing exceptionally well. Anything downhill, I don't even need to use my battery. Like I'm just giving it like baby taps. Like me, Daryl, Blum, bye-bye. Oh! Skid plate is under attack. Phew. Oh! I gotta focus. I'm sliding down back here. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Good looking. Good looking. Oh, it's so bad over there. Oh, jeez. Yeah. I saw it last second. I was like, oh, it's pretty motor, bro. Yeah. Pretty good. Yeah. Straight up, I've never seen such a better job on these trails because usually it's just like, let me turn my bike off, even though you can't hear anything. Yeah, I gotta be efficient. But yeah, like it's like super quiet. My bad for hitting those hill climbs, y'all. I was kind of going crazy.
No, you're good. I was going to say proud of you for that last hill.
Yes, sir. Yo, I remember exactly where we are. I remember we came here like a couple trips ago. Yes, sir. Ah! I never did that before. No standing wheelie, no standing circle wheelie. That was wild. Oh yeah, freebie territory. Oh yeah. Oh no. I am almost off the edge. Yo, shice. Woo. Oh. Skid plate. Woo! now we got some space. Show you guys what's good. All right, yeah, we at the gnarly drop-off section. But yeah, the more you mess around, the more you find out. All right, let me catch up. Yeah, yo, I'm on stock everything except battery and speed controller, guys. Speed controller, I'm using the EMX Surron from Electron Company. Oh, geez, rocking. Definitely need to work on my off-road setup. Suspension stock, fork stock, everything stock. Gotta get some better wheels. But like, obviously, this is like, we're taking this through extreme water and stuff like that. So we're doing the most to like stress test this battery plus, oh geez, plus the bike itself and the controller. Ooh. Oh geez, that was some deepness. All right, here we go. Oh geez, I almost ate it. I catch some right word. Oh, whoa. Whoa. You okay? Whoa. Woo. Was it that way? Or was it this way? What? Alright, let's go. I don't even know. Oh no, it was this one. Yeah, it was this one that was effed up. Are we doing it? That's right. Bootlegger. Bootlegger trail on electric Surron. Let's go. Yeah. This was it. This is what we were like, oh hell no. Oh yeah, but we found the mine shaft again. Yeah, yay. Yeah, yay. Yeah, yay. Oh geez, I'm about to fall. Jesus. Oh geez. I got real panicked out there for a second.